The asteroid 2002 AJ129 will spend close to the Earth this Sunday, the 4th of February, at 21:30, but it does not represent a real collision threat with our planet in the foreseeable future, he informed the national government of the Aeronautics and of the space. In accordance with the NASA, at the moment of the most next approach, the asteroid will be at least of 10 times the distance between the Earth and the Moon, approximately 4.2 million kilometers. The asteroid 2002 AJ129 is of intermediate size, between 0.5 and 1.2 kilometers wide, and it was discovered on January 15, 2002 by the project of follow-up of asteroids near to the planet, protected by the NASA in the place of spatial alertness Maui in Haleakala, Hawaii. The speed of the asteroid at the moment of the maximum approach, 34 kilometers per second, is higher than most of the nearby objects during one I fly over in the Earth. The NASA indicates that the high sobrevvuelo speed is the result of the orbit of the asteroid, which approaches much the Sun, 18 million kilometers. He emphasizes that although it is categorized as potentially dangerous, there are no possibilities that it could clash with the planet during the next 100 years. We have been following this asteroid during more than 14 years and know its orbit with many precision, said Paul Kodas, manager of the Center of Studies of Objects Near to the Earth of the NASA in the Laboratory of Propulsion to Jet of the NASA in Pasadena, California. AJ129 is an asteroid that is part of the asteroids Apollo, discovered on January 15, 2002 by the team of Near-Earth Asteroid Tracking from the Observatory of Haleakala, Hawaii, the United States. The NASA has a classification called FA, which are the initials of potentially hazardous asteroid, potentially dangerous, and there they bring in all those who can have a closeness with the Earth. This one is classified like FA, but with low risk for going on to more than 4 million kilometers. So that we do an idea to ourselves, the Moon is to more than 300,000, points out to El Diario.es the astrophysicist of that one Eduardo Ajero. The expert makes sure this way that the shock probability with the planet